Let's explore Mortiser, a specialized tool for creating a precise mortises. In this video, we will cover the basics and safety tips for using Mortiser effectively. Let's get started! In operating any machine, we need to wear PPE or proper safety attire like eye protection, ear protection, face mask, long sleeves, apron, and gloves. Things to avoid in operating any machine include wearing loose clothing that can fit through in the machine and overreaching, so we need to keep a safe distance when operating and leaving it unattended, so someone should always be present to turn off in case of an emergency.
It typically consists of handle. The handle allows for precise manual control of the mortiser's movement. Hand switch. The hand switch safely starts and stops the mortiser's motor. Column. The column provides structural support and stability for the motor head. Motor head. The motor head houses the motor that powers the cutting process. Spindle. The spindle rotates and drives the cutting bit. Bit. The bit is the cutting tool that creates the mortise. Left and right wheels. The wheels control the horizontal positioning of the mortise. Front-back wheels. These wheels adjust the mortise's depth. Foot pedal. The foot pedal provides hands-free control of vertical movement. Dip stopper. The dip stopper prevents accidental overcutting and ensures consistent dip. The table. The table provides a stable surface to support the workpiece. The desired measurement for your mortise. Here's my workpiece. I measured 1 inch wide, 2 inches long, and 1 inch in depth. Clamp the workpiece securely. Use the left and right wheel to adjust the workpiece. Ensure that the bit does not exceed 1 inch in depth. Secure the depth stopper to prevent the bit from exceeding the desired depth. Ensure that the bit is positioned within the line. Once secured, adjust the front and back wheels to align with the workpiece. Secure the workpiece, check the depth stopper, and then ensure the bit is aligned with the workpiece. Then turn on the machine and start drilling. After drilling, turn off the machine. This is the final workpiece, the mortise.
So that's a wrap. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or you want to see more woodworking projects, just comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more machinery content. This is Carpentry TV!